Remember, said them top lip was under my ranking meat. You tasted my goat meat. You tasted the fruits of every man that nutted inside of my hole. Eh? My cum juice, all of my baby father, them ex-boyfriend and everything. You suck it, they juice out. Dirty thinking popcorn.
Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. Welcome back to Tea Time with Tea. In today's video, we'll talk about Popcorn. Another one of his exes came out and said he was eating the buff and troubling the back door. He must have pulled up her yard and threatened her, and that's why she had come out now and tell the people them. Also, is Spice getting married or was supposed to get married? We'll check into that a little later on. But before we get into the clips, if it's your first time on this channel, make sure you subscribe so you don't miss out on the latest updates. I'd appreciate it if you leave a like on this video, leave a comment and share. Here I was minding my business and I saw this girl venting on TikTok. Her name is Gifted Hands. She's the one that posted the video about a Rasta man eating the buff. Now, she also said in this clip that it was Junior Reid, allegedly. That's what she said, right? That's what she said. Now, she said that apparently Popcorn was upset about that, pulled up to her house and started threatening her. So she come out and say, look like you remember say, you did that trouble my back door and I eat buff and all these things. But don't take my word for it. Listen to her and check this out. Full story right here.
Can you send threat to big old boy? Who you can send threat to? Who can you threaten? Eh? Now you're about to all I was stretching. Eh? Who can you threaten when I hear about all I was stretching? Eh? Make we talk about it. Make we talk about blood clot it. Who can you threaten? Who can you blood clot threaten? So what you mean by body I go get dash way? What the fuck you mean by body I go get dash way? Dirty thinking popcorn. What you mean by body I go get dash way? So you think you can dash with me, my sister, my friend, or anyone now? Dirty thinking popcorn. Dirty ambient popcorn, lick out batty popcorn. You forget say my pum pum did right by your top lip, you know. You forget say my pum pum panasha vagina was right by your blood clot top lip. You forget. You have a memory problem. But while you over there pulling up in blood clot, Kiara try send threat member said them top lip was under my ranking meat. You tasted my goat meat. You tasted the fruits of every man that nutted inside of my hole. Eh? Me are your dirty blood clot. Me are your dirty blood clot. Me are your dirty blood clot. Who you pull up on in a Kiara try send threat? Who that threat was for now? Who that threat was for? Eh? You like a fuck out sister where you study and maybe sell pussy with us? I could talk about it. You like a blood clot fuck out sister. Your dirty 30 sister. We fuck 6 man out of your camp. We fuck 6 man out of your camp. Eh? So I could talk about it. Make a blood clot talk about it. Fuck it, don't give your blood clot dirty color sister will look black. Between her legs look ashy. Eh? Dirty thinking popcorn. Eh? My cum juice, all of my baby father, them ex-boyfriend and everything. You suck it, they juice out. You labba dabba 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 under my rancid meat. Remember say I never beard when you eat this buff. Remember the buff was not shaved. Me know man protective of them sister, but you act like you don't take a eat off of your blood clot sister. Me know man act like them protective of them blood clot sister, dirty thinking popcorn, but you act like you want to eat off of your sister. Eh? You look like, remember say you used to peep through wall when your sister blood clot beard in a dirty thinking popcorn, you know. Eh? Nasty popcorn. You used to peep through blood clot curtain. When sissy pour a blood clot beard, you want come send threat. Oh, for body you going to dash way? I want to know. I want to blood clot know who for body you plan for dash way. Cause you do a lot of chattings yesterday, but you couldn't step out of the car. You did a whole bunch of chattings, but you're like a fine fanky ass could step out of the blood clot car. One big blood clot stone in your cranium would and take you out yesterday. One lick out a blood clot 2x4 stone.
No believer? Tell me what y'all think in the comment section. Popular dancehall artist Spice reveals she almost got into a relationship with a Nigerian man. Later found out he was a pastor and married with kids. OMG. Can you imagine? You're dating somebody only to find out that they are married with kids? And this is why she's having trouble, because she's dating, because you start dating somebody and once you find out they're living a double life. But that's the life we live in. Big up Spice. Speaking of relationships, guess who's in a relationship with a Jamaican? Madonna. She is out and about living her best life. She's in her 60s dating alleged footballer. He's 28-year-old Akeem. He's a Jamaican, and I first was here with somebody still younger than her like this. But big up Madonna, she want a young man in her life. But Klaus had to give his 2 cents on the matter. So take a listen.
Just want to use my platform to shout out somebody who made a very special achievement. Every rental dread dream. The man bought the biggest skull I've ever seen. The man bought a generational skull. Yeah, I have to represent for Akeem Morris from the Great Spain. The man, them a salute your name, bro. The man dragged down Madonna. That's a billionaire worth of food. Yo, you ever get to youth hero, bro? I'll make the uptown and salute, you see me? Every rental dread hero, bro. You out there, so I do the work. My respect, brother. Every ghetto youth, believe in yourself. Believe in your craft. Believe in your dream. You must get the cream.
White Close lazy, but guys, tell me what you think about what he's saying. Also, what do you think about the girl that was exposing not only Popcorn, but she mentioned Junior Reid? Do you think she's lying? Do you think she was telling the truth? She had some bold claims even about Popcorn's sister, but boy, the internet, Fred. It reminds me of when Coco, the other dark-skinned girl that claimed to be Popcorn's ex, came out and she told, what was happening in the bedroom, and then there was a video of her saying that Popcorn was threatening her, police commissariat or police department or where, one of the things, and I don't know, it makes me wonder. That's it for now, guys. Thanks for watching. If this is your first time watching this channel, make sure you subscribe so you don't miss out on the latest updates, and I really appreciate it if you leave a like on this video, leave a comment and share. I'll see you next time. Bye.